Okay, what I wanted to show you guys today was how to get your model into layout. So in previous videos, I talked about how to set up your plans for layout, but today I just want to go over the really simple basics of getting this file into layout. And then in 3 different videos, we'll talk about how to set up your plan for layout, how to get it into layout, and then finally what layout is and how it works. So go right up here, go File, Send to Layout. It's that simple. And then just select whatever template you want to start with. I'll start out with maybe just a basic one because this one's a little bit easier. And then there it is. And so, so this is your first viewport. And then from here you can go in and create your plan, and that's it. Like I said, let's tune in for some other videos if you guys want to learn on how to use layout and then how to set up your plans for layout. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.